Alright guys, I'm doing a bike check here. Let's start off with the front here. I got a Demolition Machete front tire 2.4 front and back with an Odyssey Anagram? No, Vandero V2 hub with a quadrant rim. Then we got the Primo Strand V2s. 13 offset, like them, easy for nosies. Come up, we got a Fiend headset. Then we got a Conley top load, oil slick. We got the Mad Dog 4-piece bars by volume. ODI grips. Demolition and Merit bar ends. Coming down, we got the King Titan frame at 20.75. It's a very nice frame, I like it. We got my JCPCs. They're not bad. We got Primo Power Bison oil slick. We got Odyssey 25 tooth LaGuardia. On that we have, what is it, a freaking Mission Halfling? Yeah. Colony Sea Post, Stranger Sea. We have a Kink 22 Spanish bound bracket. Coming to the back here. We got a Demolition Rolls V2 lace to a Demolition jail rim. It's a nice rim, not that bad. And that's it. So there's my bike.